how can we earn from the Facebook, right? So let's start. First of all, you can earn from Facebook in several ways depending upon your skill and content and audience. Here are the main methods. First of all, the one, Facebook page monetization. If you create engaging content, video, reels, post, you can apply for monetization. In-stream ads play in your videos and you earn revenue. Reels, bonuses, ads, earn money from Facebook Reels, view and ads. Star, fans can send you stars like gifts and you earn from them. Requirements, at least 10,000 followers and 60 million total minutes of view in 60 days. Content must follow Facebook monetization policies. Number 2, affiliate marketing. Promote product through your Facebook page, group or profile. Share affiliate links, Amazon, Throws, ClickBank, etc. Earn commission on every sale made through your link. Number 3, Facebook Marketplace. Sell product locally or internationally. You can sell new or used items. Great for small business and resellers. Number 4, Facebook group. Create a niche group, health, education, business, etc. Build a community and then sell your own product or services. Promote affiliate product. Offer paid promotion. Number 5, brand collaboration, sponsored posts. If you have a large following, brand will pay you to promote their products. Earning depend upon your reach and engagement. Number 6, freelance service promotion. Use Facebook to make your skills, graphic designing, writing, teaching, etc. Attract clients directly from your profile page or group. Tips for success: post regular engaging content. Use Facebook Reels, fastest way to grow in 2025. Stay consistent